Hey, so you're thinking about moving to Fort Worth and surrounding areas? Well, in this video, very unique. I'm going to show you what you can get for around $700,000. And we're in Fort Worth today. We're in the coveted Overton Park West neighborhood. We've actually done another video just on that specific neighborhood. This is one of my favorites. So you're getting a 1964 build for, again, just a hair over $700,000. So there's negotiations going on all through the market. So just because it's there doesn't mean that you can't get a deal. Okie doke, hang in there with me. Let's go inside. So hey, if it's your first time to the channel, just hit that subscribe button below, tap that notification button. You'll be the first person to get all the happenings in the DFW market from us, okay? I'm Julia Duffy and I'm with Compass Realty right here in Cowtown in Fort Worth, Texas, but I handle all the surrounding areas. Me and my team, we're embedded in this place like no other. We can help you out, we're the experts. So if you're moving in one day or if you're moving in 100 days, just let us know. We're on your timetable. You tell us when you're gonna make your move. And we wanna make it as smooth and effortless as possible. That's where we come in. We do the heavy lifting. Okie doke? I look forward to seeing you. Call me. And here we go, everybody. I am in love with this house, okay? It's a 1964 build, but one of my faves, you can see, it is mid-century modern. And these sellers have done a fabulous job keeping the vibe going of kind of 1964 mid-century. Look at that. Wow, look at these windows. Some cool artwork. Now the kitchen, I just walked in, I think you noticed, I just went to the left. And then here's the big dining room table, big family seating area. Here, big, huge arrangement there in the living room. Lots of space. Lots of space for, I mean, it kind of, and then we're gonna go over there in a minute. That's a sitting area that is fully, looks like it was added on, fully air conditioned, central heat and air. So that's part of your square footage. And you're doing 2383 square foot. Okie doke, 4 beds, 3 baths, really 2.5 baths, but let's get in here to the kitchen. Look at these fabulous Jenn-Air updated stainless steel appliances. Loads of, well, not as loads as I thought, excuse me. Oh, there's more storage over there, sorry. My heart dropped, I was like, where are all the cabinets? Okay, there you go, kind of farm sink sitch. Very, very cool, like kind of faux concrete counters. There we go. We're getting into some more storage down here, all right? Very, very nice. Now this is very cool. Mortar pestle, a little bit. But backwash is kind of fun. I like this red, I don't know why, but I kind of like this red accent. Now, I am a big fan of gas. You may not be, but it's a good thing to have gas as well as electricity in your house, I always say, because, I mean, oh gosh, when we had the Snowmageddon, or whatever you want to call it, our power went out for 4 days. If it hadn't been for my gas stove, I probably would have frozen, and I'm not kidding. I know that sounds, yeah, right. Nope, I'm not kidding. And the insulation in my house was so good that by the time the power went on 4 days later, the thermostat read 61 degrees. I kid you not. Okay, pantry. I'm just open. I'm not trying to be nosy or anything, but just giving you kind of an idea of the storage situation here. This is, and it's kind of deep. It looks like it's about 18 inches deep-ish. Yeah, at least. So, very nice. Again, here's the bar situation. I'm liking the red. I do not understand, but I'm liking the red. Kind of cool. And big deal, that's something you can always change if you're not enjoying the red like I am. Okay, I love, this is very, very typical of 1964, these built-ins, very, very typical of like really late 50s all the way through, I want to say early 80s. Big, they painted this brick for, obviously for the gas fireplace. And how fun is that? Now there is concrete throughout, concrete flooring, you can see. It doesn't say when it was put in, but it looks, you know, it looks like it's been maybe, I don't know, could have been even a couple of decades, y'all, who knows? Concrete, it's hard to tell. I gotta be honest with you. Here we go down the hall, and again, this is very typical of that era. All of the bedrooms are on one side. So this first bedroom, right over here, how cool is this? Again, concrete flooring, and big window out looking towards the street. Love that red accent, little storage thing. Here's a closet. I know it's kind of, I just don't want to turn on the lights, but you see it. Typical size of the closet. And here we go, rock and roll through the Jack and Jill bathroom that is shared by 2 bedrooms. And I love that blue accent wall too. It's kind of fun. They kind of updated it, very, very cool. Next bedroom that we just walk into. Ah, look at these lovely. And we're going into the sitting area. Did I get a good shot here of this little cute aquarium to the right and big, huge family size flat screen for partay? There's a guitar. There's a guitar. That means there's singing and hopefully not a campfire out here, but I love the idea that they enclose this. See, look at this brick. This is originally part of the outside of the house. They've enclosed this. They've, you know, put in obviously the central air, central heat. Look at that, just natural light for days. And here we'll go outside. Digging this, hang on. So barbecue station out here and gardening, stuff for gardening. Now, one of the cool things about some of these houses out here as well in Overton Park West, look at that. Here's the remote gate as part of the driveway, and then you come in. You can go there if you're having a party, people can park there. Here's the pool, or here we go. It's a 2-car garage right here. How convenient. And that roof looks pretty new too. So looks like one shingle is bowed, but I mean, we get a lot of hailstorms here, so that looks pretty dang good for our weather. Okay, this pool is awesome. If they didn't put it in, the people before them did. And how awesome. Y'all, come August, this is your best friend right here. Hot tub, patio sitch. How cool is this? Now, they put in a privacy fence. I did read that. So, it doesn't get any better than that. I love privacy fences. Nobody jumping up looking at you. Okay, all the pool equipment and stuff is over here. And way to go. I almost just stepped in that pool. It's actually about 90 degrees right now, and we're in October, if that gives you any idea. Look how nice, everything is kept neat. And I love even down here, look at this, the way they landscaped it. Put in these big concrete blocks with the pebbles. Kind of cool, kind of updated instead of just, aggregate or just regular concrete. Alrighty, so we'll go back in and let's see if we've finished something. Maybe take a tour through the garage. So come with me, hang on. Okay, we're back in the sitting room, just came back from outside. I just love, look how fun that is. And I didn't talk to you about this flooring. This flooring in this sitting area, of course we've dealt with I've talked to you about the concrete. This is a vinyl sort of, I mean, it's almost like vinyl carpet, y'all. I can't call it a rug because it literally is, it goes into the, it's cut out for this room. So how cool is that? Fun color. This is seriously some heavy duty mid-century modern stuff that they are keeping the vibe. Loving it, loving it. And here, let's go. I see something over here that is, I think, off to the side. It's part of the garage. Well, excuse me. Now, this is, you can see washer, dryer, utility. Really very, very roomy on this. They can, I mean, they could even put up like a clothesline and hang stuff like very, very easily if that's what they wanted to do. Here's yet another bedroom that they've turned into an office, obviously. So, yay. I mean, look at those built-ins, y'all. Again, love it. And oh, there's somebody that likes their wine a little bit. Wine chiller, refrigerator, nice. Okie doke. And then let's keep going and out to the garage. Here's your little half bath, which is very cool to have. Again, I love the fact that they have absolutely, see, this is purple. So they have harnessed their color. They have gotten their color on. Okay, very, kind of difficult to see, but garage. I don't want to open up the door. Look at that little scooter. Oh, this is so much fun. I love these people. I don't know who they are, but I would love to buy this house myself. But they've kept it clean. Look at that, very neat. Everything's stacked away, so you've got your storage, your shelves, and anything you want to keep in here. Got some weights, golf clubs, tennis rackets. Might have family fun all the way around. Okie doke, we're moving on. So again, as I'm coming back through the kitchen, this is fantastic. I just want to like reiterate how unbelievable this is for just a little over $700,000, y'all. This neighborhood is super coveted. I can't stress that enough. The school district here, that's part of the reason why it is coveted. People usually, when they move into this neighborhood, this part of like off Hewlin and Overton Park, they stay here forever. So the fact that there's even an opening at this price is a pretty big deal. I'm just loving it. I love my mid-century modern, y'all. And that's all I got. That is all I've got today, okay? And I want you to hang with me because I'm doing a series, and you know, we already have up what 300K will get you, what 500K will get you, and now we're just working our way up with the numbers. So stick with me, and I will see you later in the next video. Thanks.